tell my mom and dad I will do my best and enjoy my performance. I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see a day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fight? And no matter what happens, we try to make it right. It's from the past where I mentally heal. All will be alright in time. 'Cause all of this goes with the love that is real. All will be alright in time. All will be alright in time. All will be alright in time.
Thank you, Queen! Very, very sweet! Queen, ano kaya ang masasabi ng judges sa iyong pagkanta? Judge JK? Naiyak ka?
Oh my God, Queen! Wow! You know, ito yung isa sa mga rason ba't sobrang nai-enjoy ko yung kung saan man ako ngayon. Kasi lahat kayo, iba-iba. You're all unique in your own special ways. And Queen, what you did tonight, it's the epitome of pure.
Yeah.
Wow! I'm dumbfounded. I don't know what to say. How you sang. Wow.
Thank you.
Queen, congrats.
Thank you, Judge JK. Judge Angge.
I don't know what to say.
Hay, nako, Queen! Alam mo ba, pag-start pa lang ng kanta mo, sobra akong naapektuhan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit kasi hindi ikaw yung klase ng singer na kahit hindi ka bumirit, naapektuhan ako. Super! Si Gary, nakita mo yung hawak ko sa'yo kanina kasi tutulong na yung luha ko, sayang yung makeup ko, mahal yung bayad. So hindi ko tinuloy, Queen. Kasi sobra akong naapektuhan sa performance mo and narinig ko na talagang sa ganyang age mo, meron ka ng signature sound.